In 48 hours, I'm hopping on a plane and making my way to Nairobi, Kenya for a 2-week African safari in both Kenya and Tanzania. And the challenge today is packing my capsule wardrobe into a backpack, and my backpack and my personal bag cannot exceed 33 pounds. So this is going to be a challenge, but I think that I have things figured out. Hey everyone, it's Cathy. Thanks for tuning in today. If you are interested in learning more about planning a trip to Africa, be sure to subscribe to my channel. It's 100% free. And I plan on creating a series of videos about packing, and I'll be vlogging while I'm in Africa. And I'm sure whenever I get home, I will have all sorts of travel tips and tricks to share with you. Let's get into what I'm taking. And today in this video, I'm just showing you my capsule wardrobe. I'm showing you the pieces. In the next video, I'm breaking it down to the immunizations, the medications that we had to get and will be bringing with us. And in the third video, I'm going to show you how I pack everything that I need for 2 weeks in a backpack. I have never done this in my life, so it's going to be interesting. So it was suggested to us that we only wear earth-toned clothing because we will be in a Jeep. We're not going to be doing any walking on the safari, but there are these pesky little flies that they're attracted to dark colors. So I had to get a bunch of earth-toned clothes because you know me, black and blue and pink, those are my go-to colors. So it was a bit of a challenge, but I found some pieces that I think that I will actually enjoy wearing even once my safari is done. So I have 3 pair of pants that I'm taking for the safari, and I'll be wearing my Spanx Air Essentials pants on the plane going and whenever we come home. So I picked up a pair of these pants from Athleta. I think they're the Brooklyn mid-rise pants. I own several pair of these. I love them, and I'm really surprised that I really enjoyed this color. And the color is moss. These are great pants for traveling. I own them in navy and black. They're so versatile. This color and navy really goes nicely together, so whenever I get home, I'll be able to make use of these. And I found these joggers on Old Navy, and I think they were around $20. But I like that they have a cuff because that way I don't have to worry about bugs getting, in under the pant legs. Even though we'll be in a Jeep, there might still be bugs depending how close we are to the animals. But I have to tell you, I was really impressed with the quality of these joggers from Old Navy. I've already washed them, thrown them in the dryer, I've worn them, and the material is really great for the price. And again, I will be wearing these a ton whenever I get home because probably by then the fall cooler weather will be here. It's really hot today, but these are cute and they're in a ton of different colors as well. And I'm a Spanx girl, so I saw this color. It dropped, I believe, in September. It's called French Gray. Looking at it on the website, I thought it would be more of a beige color, but in person it definitely has more cool gray undertones. I didn't think I would like it, but I absolutely love it. I bought the matching half zip in the same color as well as a long sleeve t-shirt that I'm going to show you. Haven't decided if I'm going to take the half zip with me. I think I'll be okay because I've already checked the weather, and in the daytime I think the high it's never above 30 Celsius, and in the evening it doesn't go below, I think, around 14 Celsius, which I live in Canada. That's just a beautiful spring day. So I know a lot of people, whenever they go on safari, they'll take mitts and toques and stuff, but we are going to be near the equator. It might be cooler, say, if you were going to South Africa. So I think I'll be fine with not taking a coat or a jacket. I'm just going to dress in layers. And I wanted to point out these pants. They're a slim straight leg pant, no pockets, but they also don't have that tie in the waistband that drives a lot of us crazy. So I'm inserting a picture here of me wearing this, and I really do like them. And this is the matching long sleeve top. This is a new release in September, and pair it with this and I should blend right in. This is a performance top from Old Navy. I showed it to my daughter and she was like, you didn't get that at Old Navy. You got that at, you know, that really expensive athletic store. And I'm like, no. And she couldn't get over the quality. It's really, really well made. And again, it was between $20 and $30. And I actually like the color. I didn't think I would like wearing like a dark green. I think they call this Ancient Forest. And I got them to match. So, you know, all of the clothes that I have, I'm going to be able to mix and match. Like, that's going to go nice with green. And that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to be able to create a bunch of different outfits out of, you know, just a few staples. We are able to get laundry done if we want to, but I'm hoping that I don't have to. So this is a top I got on Amazon. It's by Columbia and I love it and I highly recommend it even if you aren't going on safari. It is so well made. It has snap closures and there's a vent in the back for air circulation. The sleeves, you can roll them up. There's a button there, you can roll them up so it looks a little more presentable. But this is great. It has UPF. This would be great as a swimsuit cover up if you want to protect yourself from the sun. If you're a gardener, it's available in lots of different colors, but of course I went with this one. And yeah, I see myself wearing this a lot. And I'll probably wear this most of the time when we're in the Jeep. I'll probably just layer it with like a t-shirt underneath. And this is another UPF safari shirt. Got it on Amazon. Again, you can roll the sleeves up, which is nice. It's very lightweight, so, you know, even whenever it starts to get hot during the day if we're out, should be okay. There's a secret pocket here. There's no vent in the back, but, you know, if we're in the Jeep, should be fine. And again, I'll layer this with a t-shirt. For t-shirts, I'm gonna take this one. I'll probably wear this on the plane and then I'll have like a Spanx zipper jacket that I got a few years ago. It's no longer available, but they have a new track jacket out that I just received in the most gorgeous deep purple color. It's beautiful. So the t-shirts I will wear under the long sleeve shirt, but I'll also wear these during the day when we're just back at the camp. We're not allowed to leave because we're like basically in the park. So they do have pools on site and I'm hoping some gift stores because, you know, it's nice to browse and kill some time. This is just a white t-shirt. I'm going to wear it when we're back at camp. It also may be very dusty because we're at the end of dry season and they did tell us it could get dusty. That's why they don't recommend you wear white. But while we're on campus, it should be fine. This is from a Canadian brand called Pre-Loved. And they recycle clothing and make new clothing. I bought this a few years ago on the shopping channel, but I haven't been able to find this brand again. So I'm not sure if they rebranded. I have to look into this further when I get home. And then I bought this 2-pack of just Amazon Essential V-neck t-shirts in olive, and it's kind of like an oatmeal color. So again, easy to mix and match. If you don't like a V-neck, they're also available in crew neck. And I'm taking 2 pair of shorts for whenever we're back at camp. And this is just a pair of navy shorts that I've had for a couple of years from Talbot's. They're linen. And I don't think I've ever showed you these. I got them this year. They're Spanx. And those black pants that I love, it's called On the Move. And it's that kind of material that if it gets wet, it's gonna like dry really quickly and water kind of repels off of it. I love these shorts. I don't know why I didn't show them to you, but they do have pockets that zip. So this will be great, you know, when we're around camp and, you know, hanging out at the pool. I can slip these on over my bathing suit, one of those linen shirts, and that makes a great swimsuit cover up. And talking about swimsuits, I am infusing some color. I've had this one for a couple of years. It's off of Amazon. Actually, I should try it on and see if it fits because I may need to order a size down. And then it's a tankini and I got it with the boy shorts. So I like that. And I'm taking just a pair of fuzzy socks to wear at night whenever we're in our tent. I know we're staying in a couple of tents. I'm not sure. I think one of the places you have to get escorted. So anytime you want to leave your tent, you have like a walkie-talkie in your room and you ask the guard to come and get you because animals could be outside the door, so I want to keep nice and cozy because it might get cooler in the evening. For PJs, I'm taking this nightgown. I got it off of Amazon. It's very similar to my pajamas from Nordstrom. It's still available, I believe, lots of different colors. And I haven't decided. I may take this for when we're, you know, at the camp. Say if we go to lunch, because it's just nice to have some color, you know, brighten things. And if I have room, I'm gonna take this. This is a Frank and Eileen linen shirt. I bought this year. I love it. It is worth every single penny. It's beautiful. I've worn it so much, and it's one of those pieces that I'm gonna wear year round. Again, this would be perfect as a swimsuit cover up. So if I have room, this is coming with me. And for shoes, I'm taking 2 pair. My Bionic slip-on runners that I will be wearing on the plane, and these. These are by Cushionaire off of Amazon, and I just like to wear a sandal like this, you know, whenever I'm just kicking around home. I don't wear socks, you know, unless we're going on safari to keep the bugs away. But these are nice. They're kind of like similar to like my Mephisto Helen, but at a much lower price point. Does have some nice padding and cushioning in the heel, which is really important. I got these last year. I have worn them and I do like them. I like the color, very neutral. These will be like my at camp shoes, and the rest of the time I'll have my slip-on Bionics. Apparently it's illegal to bring any plastic bags, like a Ziploc bag or single-use plastic bags like you might get groceries in. It's illegal to bring it into Kenya. So I have this bag that I'm going to put my sandals in, just to keep separated from my clothing, even though I'm probably going to use packing cubes for all of my clothes. So in this bag, I have 4 pair of socks, and I'll put my bra in. I just washed it. It's hanging to get dry. So I'll be taking 1 bra, and then the one that I'm wearing, I'm probably doing like washing in the sink in between safaris. And in this one, I have all of my underwear. I think it's 12 or 13 mornings where I'm gonna need fresh underwear. They're all in here. I love these packing cubes. These are from Bagsmart. I did a collab with them earlier this year. I have used their products for years. I really like the packing cubes. I have 2 sets, this color, and then I have like an earth tone color, but it's the Bagsmart backpack that I will be using for my safari. So I'll link that video here if you haven't seen it. And last but not least is my safari hat. So this is a Tilly hat. I bought this from Tilly, and I wear a size medium. I think my daughter has the same one. She wears a small, but the medium is perfect because I have a lot of hair. I like that, you know, I can snatch it here. So if we're driving really fast, trying to get to an animal sighting, you know, it's not gonna fall off. And whenever I'm in the pool, it's gonna hopefully protect me a little bit from getting a sunburn, because we will be pretty close to the equator. So I'll be taking lots of sunscreen with me. So this is my capsule wardrobe, and in the next video, I'm going to show you all of my toiletries, how I'm packing them. I haven't quite finished packing. It's so hard when you're only allowed like 1 small little bag for liquids, and I'm going to be gone for 2 weeks. Normally, if I'm gone for like 8 to 10 days, it's not a problem, but because I'm taking a lot of sunscreen, I don't know if I'm going to be able to find some there, and we're not going to have a whole lot of opportunity really to be shopping anywhere unless there's a gift shop at the camps and at the airport when we arrive. But after a 22-hour travel day, the last thing I'm going to want to do is shop. I wanted to tell you the Tilly hat has a secret compartment here. So if you need to stash cash or, you know, a memory card or a room key or anything, I just thought I'd point that out. So if you enjoyed my video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. It's 100% free. And I'll see you in my packing video. Well, part 2 of my packing video, probably in 1 week's time. So thanks for tuning in today, and I'll see you soon. Bye.